Welcome to TradeHappy, a community of traders learning how to be profitable and happy. Today we're going to be talking about what are the most difficult parts of Forex trading for new traders. Of course, not everyone's going to have the same issues, and there's going to be some parts of this that I'm not going to cover. So if you've had any personal difficulties trading in any way, drop them in the comments below and I'll try and give my own personal advice to how you can get better at whatever you're finding difficult. The first one is discipline to follow your plan. Most traders do not have the discipline to follow a plan when the plan starts losing. It's very easy to follow a strategy when you're winning and seeing good results, but once the strategy starts losing, which all strategies do, it gets harder for most traders and they give up and find a different strategy and then obviously lose with that one as well, and the cycle continues until they lose all their money. All the strategies that you're going to trade lose from time to time, so remember that when you're doing your back testing with your strategy and you've found that it's consistent, when you go live, expect losses. Stay disciplined with your strategy and trade it the same way you did when you were back testing. The next point is long-term patience. Most traders do not have enough money to live off when they start. Therefore, you need to build the account up to get to a point where you can withdraw enough to live. Until you get to that point, you will need to be growing your account, but if you have a small account, you will need the patience to trade it for a long period of time. If it takes 3 years of consistent trading and small gains to grow the account size to where you can live off the profits, would that be worth it? Most of you would probably say yes, but the reason most people don't do it is because they want the gains now and they want the profits now, not in 3 years. This is another short video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, remember to subscribe, and I'll see you next week.